Hey guys, it's Mackenna. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to be filming a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. My eyelash is actually coming off right now, so I mean, don't mind that. Okay, so I'm using two palettes today. I'm using the ColourPop Element of Surprise palette, and then I am using the Anastasia Prism palette. Alright, let's get down to business. Look at my dog. Oh my god. Okay, anyway, I just wanted to say that while I'm editing this, I just realized that there's like a ticking throughout the video. So I don't know how to get rid of that. So if that bugs you, I'm sorry. You can just click out of the video, but I don't know how that happens. So sorry. Listen to this song one day. It's so good. I'm using the color Eden as a transition color. Why did I use this color as a transition color? Okay, now I'm going into the ColourPop palette and I'm just going to be using this pink. It's calling your name, 'cause calling yours, girl, it's calling yours too. That's it. That's the finished look. It's, oh no. Okay, good. I took, what did I do? Okay, I took this Morphe brush, and then I'm taking Obsidian, the black color, and I'm just gonna, you'll see. Maybe you won't. How do I hold this mirror?
Oh yeah, the teacher. Oh, da.
Just waiting for this to dry. Okay, sweet. I'm going to be using this glitter. Okay, so I'm going to be highlighting now using the Nicole Guerrero palette. Satin Lip in the shade. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Now I'm gonna go take my makeup off because